Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 7 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be a Shave Nation razor. These just came in, and I don't usually do Shave Nation razor reviews, but I'm going to do one today. This is a butterfly razor, and this is PVD coated. I don't want to get into the technicalities of it. What that does, it makes it more durable. So the coating on this should be very sturdy and durable and long-lasting. As I said, it's a butterfly type razor. You just spin the dial at the bottom here and it opens and closes. You pop in your blade, you're good to go. Starting at the top, it's just the butterfly head, and then it tapers on a bit of an angle downward, and then a heavy knurling on the handle, which is very easy to grip. Most of the handle is this checkered knurling that goes from the tapered end all the way down to a very little small smooth ring right here, and then vertical lines at the bottom for easy grip when you spin the dial at the bottom. And the very bottom of the handle is also just smooth PVD finish. And this is a black razor. If you like things blacked out, this is pretty cool. It does say Shave Nation on the top of the head right there. So like I said, open it up. Let's pop a blade in. We'll use a feather blade today. I'm just guessing that this razor might be a little mild, so we're gonna kick it up a notch with the feather blade. Here we go. Remove it from the paper. These are always a little tricky because they have glue on them. But here's what the paper looks like. Here's what the blade looks like. It says trademark, high stainless, made in Japan. There it is. Let's drop it right over the slot, like so. That's what it looks like. Clockwise with the dial, and it locks right down. Blade reveal. Looks good to me. Looks perfect on both sides. There is a slight bit of overhang on the outside edges here. Today I'll use Castle Forbes cedarwood and sandalwood shaving cream. This is a jar that does not have very much left in it. I'm going to scoop some out with my spoon. There should be enough for maybe 1 or 2 more shaves left in here. Shave Nation bowl, lather spot at the bottom. I'm going to warm it up. It's ceramic, so it will retain some heat. With my mini scoop spoon, I'm going to scoop out about that much. Drop it right into the bowl, like so. Right into that lather spot down at the bottom. That's what it looks like. Today I'll use the Simpson's Trafalgar T3 synthetic brush. Pretty good size knot on this brush for a synthetic. Under the hot water, warm it up. Just give it a couple shakes. We'll go right in here and commence to mixing lather. Just press the tips down into the lather spot down at the bottom. And the lather starts coming up around the sides. With the synthetic brush, you want to add the water sparingly as you go along. Like so. Just a few drops of water in there. And you can see, it doesn't take very long. The suds start coming up to the top. The more you push into the lather spot, the thicker it will get. There we go. Got enough for a couple passes for sure. 2 or 3 passes or more. Smells really good. Cedarwood, sandalwood, it's got a little bit of a smoky scent to it. Okay, I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, let's lather up. Grab our brush, our bowl. Copious amounts of lather, looks like a little ice cream cone. I do have a 1 or 2 day beard growth, which is what the everyday shave is all about. Let's start on the right, work our way over to the left. This brush, the tips are nice and soft, but it's got a pretty decent backbone to it. Just drive the shaving cream right into the beard. Paint it. Swirl it, figure 8, smooth everything out, like so. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. I'll leave the fingers wet. Let's see how this feels. Oh, it feels good. No problem gripping it. All right, Shave Nation razor, butterfly, black PVD, gloss finish, loaded with a feather blade. Let's start on the right, find our angle. I don't think it'll be too aggressive, but let's see. I like the handle, nice and long, drops down. Oh, got to give you the specs on this razor. We'll get to that. I'll give you that in a few minutes. Doing pretty good against my 2-day beard growth. All right, let's rinse that. Rinses out easily. Down the neckline. Got some audible feedback too. Okay, let's do the left side. Find that angle. Very good. Let's rinse that. Both sides are filled. Right down the neck. Very good. First pass complete. If you're smooth enough, you could stop right here, but we're going to do one more. Rinse that out. A quick face rinse. Grab our brush and bowl. Just a light coating of lather this time. It's a nice smooth lather, nice and creamy. It's got a good cushion to it. Lets that blade glide right over it. Clear the runways again. All right, here we go, across the grain. Let's rinse that. Other side. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Okay. Very good, nice and smooth. All right, let's rinse it. Let's go for the cheeks. Get them baby smooth. Just a light coating of cream. We'll skim the skin. Work your way up. Don't scrape like this, but skim. Straight up. Stretch the skin. This gets you that baby smooth finish. Other side. Just stretching with the thumb. Very good, nice and smooth. A final rinse on the razor. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, glide that all around, all the areas you shaved. Give you some feedback. If you get any stinging, you went a little too deep or over the same area too many times. But this is no stinging, nice and smooth. Put the cap back on, let it set for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Just leave it slightly damp. Today we're going to use a sample. This is George F. Trumper Spanish Leather Skin Food. I like the skin food, it's really good for the face. It comes in lime, sandalwood, and coral, and now the Spanish leather. I think it actually comes in, what's the other one? GFT, I can't think of it right now. There we go, just in the fingertips. This is a clear balm, smells really nice. It really does like that Corinthian leather. Ricardo Montalban would be proud. The fine Corinthian leather. Smells great. And goes on really nice, dries clear. Nice protection throughout the day. So cheeks, chin, neck, nice and smooth. Let's take a final look at the razor, the Shave Nation Butterfly PVD, TTO, twist to open razor, butterfly razor, same thing. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 2.7 ounces or 76 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4.3 inches or 110 millimeters, which is pretty hefty. No problem dropping it in the palm. You can see, easy to spin, easy to hold. I shaved with wet fingers the whole time. Very easy to grip. Just so you have a comparison, here it is next to a Merkur 34C. You can see the difference, how much longer it is. It's about a good inch longer. Just so you have a good comparison to go by. By the way, this razor also comes in a matte finish, a black matte finish, right there. Here it is next to the glossy, so you can see the difference. The glossy is shinier, the matte is more of that blacked out satin look. Geofatboy's aggression rating on this razor, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 5. Shaved very well, feels good in the hand, easy to spin, nice long handle, it's got a good heft to it. Blade loading is very simple, just spin the dial at the bottom, opens and closes, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 turns to open and close, so pretty quick. There's a final look at it. The Shave Nation PVD Black Butterfly or Twist to Open style razor. If you want to pick up this razor or any of these other items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or enter in the search box at Shave Nation, enter SN518, and this razor will pop right up, this glossy PVD butterfly razor. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends my 460 plus shaving and more videos. Greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.